guys, I am in a monster truck, and we are going. I'm in a monster truck at Monster Jam! That was awesome. And here's some crush cars. Here's some of the crush. That was fun. I'm recording. Here's some of the crush cars. Here's another truck. Corbin, Kentucky, at Monster Jam, and I just got out of a monster truck, as you saw. That one. So there's one. I think this is going to be an awesome YouTube video. So. But. This way to this monster truck. Awesome. There it goes. That's the one I was just in.
Please do not put yourself or your child on top of the monster truck tires, as it have been raced
So pretty cool.
glass and metal shards. We don't want anybody to get hurt, you know, like
anyway.
$25,000 for the purchase of a brand vehicle. There's free on the range. Take a look at some of the beautiful Ram trucks. All the features of a Ram 2500 plus. Special offer features like a 12,000 left front rear differential.
I'm trying to go to another monster truck.
So you want to check that out. Beautiful new 2016 Ram trucks on display. Also register down there for Horizon Coffee.
Here's one.
We're going to give away a race-ready truck right after intermission.
Here's some
$100. Plus $1 ticket, for 10, we spend for 20. If you're a Monster Truck fanatic fan, you can buy a whole nation of tickets at a Monster Truck for $50. Also, check out Wild on the competition floor, Hometown Hobby. Simulating the staff over there, check out our Hometown Hobby stuff. You'll see them viewing before the show and during intermission. Some of the displays and some of the fun that you can have with an RC truck or
I used to have one kind of like this.
Is it a Torment? Is that what it is? Oh, it's a Ruckus. I got one of mine. I don't know if it's gas.
Oh, you are? Okay, you probably know. I figured too. I won't even try to give it to you. You probably correct me. The second half of the show is when we're going to give it away. So,
No, it's battery powered.
But I'm going to go. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Don't forget to watch the rest of the monster truck videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and